Hello everyone, my name is Adrian Gonzalez and I'm going to present a tool for generating monster silhouettes with a word-conditioned variational autoencoder, work in which I collaborated with Professors Matthew Gosdial and Felix Ramos. A digital artist must be able to convey their ideas through a design quickly. Therefore, we're working on a tool to assist them through the use of PCG and natural language processing so it can be available for everyone. So, how does it look? We start with 8 words in which the user can input any word he desires. Then we have a noise image which provides some randomness to the system, and they're both fed into our system which outputs a monster silhouette taking into account both of those inputs. We also provide some utility functions to randomize the input or export the results. The training data we used were Pokemon silhouettes and words extracted from the website Bulbapedia. So let's see how it works, shall we? We have our 8 words here and the input noise image fed into our system that are generating the output on the right. If we change one of these, for example for wings, we expect to see a change on the shape on the silhouette that reflects the new word. It's a work in progress, but we're trying to make it reflect those changes as best as we can. We can also change the input image to make slight changes to the image on the right. Now let's take a peek inside the system. The image is processed as a 32 by 32 pixel image. The words are converted from words to word embeddings, which are numerical representations of it on a latent space. That means each of our words is passed through this embedding layer and converted into a numerical representation. We put together all of them and form a new channel for the processing. The underlying network is basically a conditional convolutional variational autoencoder which receives the inputs and the words we mentioned before and concatenate them as a new channel. Then we simply perform the convolutions and sample from a latent space. We plan to run a user study in which people will use our tool to create a subset of Pokemon which share common traits, such as starter Pokemon, which tend to be cute, small, and friendly. We will also ask them to make a evolved version of those starter Pokemon, which tend to have features such as being big, confident, and strong. That will help us see if the tool is capturing these concepts correctly. We will ask the users to perform the same task but using a GAN network instead. After making their designs, we will ask them to share their experience with us. Which one felt more fun to use, more frustrating to use, which one made them feel in control, and whether they would like to use the results for something or just throw them away. And of course, we couldn't do this without your help. We'd love to hear what you think about the UI, the experiment, and the objectives. That way we can make modifications before we run the user study. There are 2 more things I want to talk about today. The first one is that our tool can be used iteratively. That means the output image can be used as the input image on the next time you use it. And you can change the word to modify that design you previously had and get a new one. However, we don't allow this during the experiment since the GAN cannot perform this process. The second thing I want to talk about today is the possibility to edit the output or the input of the image. Would you like to see that function added? Let us know. And that's it. Thank you for your time. We're looking forward to meet you during the demo session of 8/2021.